Downloading data from Tidal can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Create a Tidal account. Visit the Tidal website or download the app and sign up for an account. You may need to choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Step 2. Log into your account. Once you have created your account, log in using your credentials. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 3. Navigate to your library. After logging in, go to your library where you can find your saved playlists, albums, and songs. This is where you will select the data you want to download. Step 4. Select content to download. Browse through your library and choose the songs, albums, or playlists you wish to download. Look for a download option, usually represented by a downward arrow or a similar icon. Step 5. Download and access offline. Click on the download option and the selected content will begin downloading. Once completed, you can access your downloaded data offline through the Tidal app. By following these steps, you can easily download data from Tidal and enjoy your music without an internet connection. Happy listening!